It is me, Giovanni, and I am back in another video. Today I am playing Mineplex, and I'm in the middle of a war of cake wars. So what I'm trying to do now is, I'm not trying to take over blue. Well, let's say I will. Why not? So I think the last round someone won. That's why the game stopped like in the middle of war. You look down, you go, beep. Okay. Oh, someone fell. 2 people fell. 3. Wow, a lot of people are falling. Wow. Wow. How come? I don't believe that's people. Yellow have lost an emerald point. And blue's about to lose. Their cake. Come on. Come on, get him, get him, get him. Yum. I could do, okay. I took blue's thing. Took their cake. That was really good, actually. I think they lost. Or I don't know what happened. Come on. This is the good way to make me fall off. Now what do I do? Do I go in here? Oh, I can't believe I stole someone's cake already. Green has captured an emerald cake. Oh, we're doing good. We can use this. Oh, we can afford that. Okay. That's all we could buy. But I bought that because my pickaxe protect your cake. What happens if you lose your cake? Oh, someone already did our plan. We're doing so good. Now the time has come that I'm gonna get red team. Or yellow team. Yellow's team, I think we're the only twos left. Whew. Oh, the lag is so much. You know what's not lucky is that I have blue wool. No. No. I'm getting out of this world. I want to go in there again. Just something else. Okay. I wonder what Lifeboat Network is. I'm gonna try that. Come on. Why isn't it going green? Bedwars. Okay. It's loading. I'll be right back. Never mind. I just went, but now I'm back. Could be. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Okay. So I don't need to go any of that. Potato. Okay. I am kind of hungry. Oh, you can't attack them. Join next game. Why not? Wait, is this like survival craft? Is this Guncraft? Or what's it called? Zombiecraft? Deadcraft? What is it? Stay alive. Is it? Am I the only one? Okay, I'm not. And the game will start in 2 minutes. Oh no. Oh. How do I get out of this? Okay, so look in the teleporter. Which one do I want to play? Money Wars. I don't want to play. Select the minigame. What is hub? Ah. New game, Block Hunt. Oh, Halloween Mac. Solo Sky Wars. Why not? told you guys how horrible I am at parkour. Why am I the only person who created a skin? Is it weird? No. Dang it. I did so good. Waiting for 2 people. Oh, 3. I actually went back to hub. Not for accident. Hello. Are you alive? Trick or treat spot. Ooh. She gave me a cookie. Oh, I can't move. No, never mind. What do these buttons do? They don't work. What's in the dispenser? Nothing. TNT run. I never tried that. So why not? Huh? Whatever. Teleporter. But it should be the last one. TNT run. How to play. When the game starts, you have to run. The blocks fall behind you, so don't stop or you will drop last person left in the platform. It is the winner. Okay. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and cut out. Oh. Oh. Run. Wait, no. Run, Giovanni. No. What? How many rows is there? I'm like the only person in this row. Oh no, I'm not. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oof, I'm safe over here. No, I'm dead. Oh, that was hard. I just gotta do a TNT run again. That was pretty fun. 7 players. I hate how they do this. How come I can't get on? Oh. 5 people back to hub. I'd rather go back to hub. Okay. See, what do I want to play? Fine, Skywars. Oh, yeah. Really fun. 1 layer. Oh, aren't you a YouTube channel people too? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Oh. Wait, no, don't say I went back to hub. Skywars. Oh no, that was bad. Everyone's left behind. Oh no, 3, 2, 1. I went right 1 time. And go, go, go. Come on. 1, 2. Ta-da. Okay. Any other chest? There wasn't really get that good. Well, I still can go to. Do. jump. I'm not good at jumping, so just gonna put box. So if I do, oh, bye everyone. Sorry.